Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva in ChatGPT. This powerful combination allows you to leverage artificial intelligence for creative design. ChatGPT can quickly generate compelling text and ideas, while Canva transforms those concepts into visually appealing graphics. It's a fantastic way to boost your productivity and create professional-looking content with ease, saving you valuable time and effort in your daily tasks. To begin, open ChatGPT and clearly articulate your design needs. For instance, you might ask for 5 social media post ideas for a new product launch, including engaging headlines and body text. Remember to specify your brand's voice and target demographic for tailored results. ChatGPT can provide a wealth of creative content, from catchy slogans to detailed descriptions, giving you a strong foundation for your visual project. Now, transition to Canva. Choose from thousands of professional templates, such as an Instagram post or a presentation slide. Simply copy the text generated by ChatGPT and paste it into your selected template. Then, personalize your design by adjusting fonts, colors, and adding relevant images or icons from Canva's vast media library. This step brings your AI-powered ideas to life visually in just a few clicks. Before concluding, take a moment to review your design carefully. Ensure all text is legible, colors are harmonious, and the overall message is clear. Make any necessary tweaks to perfect your visual. Once satisfied, you can easily download your design in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on your needs. Canva also allows for direct sharing to popular social media platforms, making distribution incredibly simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.